Micah, can you tell me why kids always watch cell phones and videos and stuff in the car instead of looking at the beautiful scenery?
Because nowadays kids are more into like technology than the wilderness.
They're more into technology than the wilderness.
Yeah, because sometimes they get bored.
What you mean they get bored?
Oh, look at outside.
We used to play a game called That's My Car. When we saw a real cool car that we liked, we used to scream out, "That's my car."
Mm-hmm.
Y'all ever played that?
No.
Y'all
You
never
want to play that?
play That's My Car?
You want to play That's My
What if you see a Lamborghini come past?
Hey, that's mine.
That's yours?
That Lamborghini mine.
It's called That's My Car. What kind of car you waiting to see?
I want a pink car.
A what?
Pink car.
Okay, a pink car. So if you see a pink car like a pink Cadillac, what you gonna say?
I want a pink Lamborghini.
You supposed
No,
that's
you supposed to say
my
that's
car.
my car. Say it real quick before somebody else.
That's my car.
All right, so if the pink Lamborghini come by, what you gonna say?
That's my car.
Real fast.
That's my car.
Okay, I ain't say loud. I say fast. Y'all got the rules?
Yeah.
We want to see how That's My Car go.
Alright.
Instead of that technology.
Here, Mom.
Let's go, let's get it. Let's go, let's get it. That's my car.